Hello everyone, this is Mark with Lean ISO Management Systems. In this video, I would like to share with you the approach we take to optimize process flows. You can apply this concept to any management system, quality, environmental, safety, or any other. In one of my previous videos, I showed how we developed a Lean quality manual. Our Lean manual ended up to be a 3-page document instead of some 30 pages. If you didn't watch the video, click on the link below and catch up. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Since the introduction of Annex SL, no standards require quality or business manuals. I keep on referring to manuals only because most companies still use them. By the end of this video, you will see step by step how you can make your documentation structure Lean. Stay with me. I also will give you a link to our Lean template procedure. Interested? Let's get started. Businesses typically document management system structure as a pyramid. Most of the manuals I have seen contained a section called documentation structure. All these chapters were like as twins and showed the same hierarchy. The top level is the manual, the second level is SOPs or procedures, then instructions, then records. Some structures had a manual on the top, some the policy. Let's put aside the fact that a manual cannot be on the top, because the policy defines that a company will comply with a particular standard. Only then the company creates a manual to support the policy. Anyway, this pyramid is an excellent place to start this demo. Let's take any requirements of the ISO 9001:2015 standard that requires records. I picked element 843. Information for external providers. This clause requires that, quote, the organization shall communicate to external providers its requirements for products and services, end quote. The first layer is the manual. It rephrases the standard, changing the organization shall to we will. The next step is the procedure. The procedure mimics the manual with additional details, such as references, responsibilities, and other sections. Finally, what really defines your company's needs and addresses the requirements of the standard is the purchase order record with the terms and conditions. Let's see how we can avoid all these duplications and get out of this clutter. Since we eliminated the wordy manual, we are one step ahead in the game. The copy of the standard in the manual is gone. Now our structure looks much leaner. Only the procedure and the record are left. Our record is a purchase order with the terms and conditions. This record communicates to the supplier what we need and addresses the requirements of the organization and the standard. Let's keep in mind, often template records already contain sufficient responses to the requirements of the standard. If not, simple changes to the template record may eliminate the need for a procedure. So we determined that we can live without the procedure. Now our structure looks something like this, much more straightforward and much leaner. To summarize, use Lean Manual if you choose to have one. Ensure that appropriate records contain sufficient details to address the requirements of the company and the standard. Consider eliminating the corresponding procedure. By now we met our objectives we set in the beginning. This is a step-by-step process to eliminate clutter in process flows. Also, I offered you downloads, and I did not forget. Click on the link below and go to the Academy page on our website. There is a lot of Lean stuff there. Give us a call if you need help or have questions. Learn how you can make your system lean and efficient. Let's go Lean, folks! Please share this video with your colleagues and management. help us to promote lean concepts for ISO management systems. Before you go, click that subscribe button. We're coming with more videos on lean management system topics. In our next videos, we will talk about the optimization of particular processes in more detail with specific examples of records. Give us a like if you learned something new today. Thank you for watching, and until next time.